Okay, children, today we'll discuss about the basics in the parallel lines, basics and some numericals. Parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines are those lines which never intersect with each other. You extend it to any length on either side. On either side, you will extend it to any length. They will never intersect. Such a lines are called parallel lines. Okay. Okay, so the distance between them will be always equal. The distance between them will be always equal. Wherever you count, the distance between them will be equal, and these are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular to each other. You know this, basically. Okay, parallel lines will never intersect with each other. Okay, so in parallel lines, certain terms will be coming continuously. The terms meaning you should know. Okay, suppose these two are parallel lines. Try to. Okay, this is called, what is this called, anyone? What is this called?
Transversal
Transversal, sir.
line.
Transversal. It is called transversal. Transversal. Okay, so if I put this as 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this angles, if I give these. So children, which angles are equal? Which angles are equal? I will show. 1 and 3 are equal. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. I told you not to write short forms. In spite of that, many people are writing short forms in exam. 1 and 3 are called angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. They are equal. Angle 2 and angle 4 are also vertically opposite angles. They are equal. Angle 5 and angle 7 also vertically opposite angles. They are equal. Angle 6, angle 8 are vertically opposite angles. They are equal. All these angles are equal. Number 1. Number 2. Next one, children. Alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. What are interior alternate angles? This and this angle 4, angle 6 are interior alternate angles. They are also equal. Angle 3, angle 5. They are also interior alternate angles. They are also equal. So, alternate angles are also equal. Okay, children? Next, in the same way, exterior alternate angles. What are exterior alternate angles? What are exterior? Angle 1 and angle 7 are exterior alternate angles. They are also equal. Angle 2 and angle 8, they are also exterior alternate. Exterior, they are alternate. These are interior alternate. These are also equal and these are also equal. Okay, these all are equal. Next, what are equal? Other corresponding. Can anyone say what are the corresponding angles? 4 are there. 4 pairs of corresponding angles.
Sir, 2,
2
4,
and 6.
3, 7. Yeah, 2, 6, 3, 7, 1, 5, 4, 8.
Very good. 1, 5. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding. This and this are called corresponding. In parallel lines only this applicable. 4 and 8 are also corresponding. Angle 2 and angle 6 are also corresponding. Angle 3 and angle 7 are also corresponding. All these are corresponding. Right on. All these are corresponding. Now, once they are corresponding angles, all are equal. Now, what are supplementary angles? Supplementary. Supplementary angles means supplementary angles are those which angles are 180.
1, 2,
1, 2,
4, 3,
2, 3, 3, 4,
4, 3, 4,
4,
1, 4,
5, 6,
5, 6,
6, 7.
7, 7, 8, 8, 5.
All these are 180 degrees. Okay, and also 4 and 5. They are called anyone? 4 and 5 are called anyone?
Co-interior angles.
Co-interior angles, sir.
Yeah, co-interior angles are also supplementary. Co-interior angles. These are called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are also supplementary. Please mute your audios, all of you. Mute your audios. 4 and 5 are also equal. 4 angle 4 plus angle 5. Okay, supplementary. I'm sorry, children. 1 plus issue, not equal. Plus. They are supplementary angles. Okay, even angle 4 and angle 5 are co-interior angles. They are also supplementary. Angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 6 are also supplementary. Okay, supplementary and co-interior angles are supplementary. What are co-interior? Which are sideways. co-interior angles are supplementary. Don't forget, these are very important. I'll be using this statement many times in doing the exam. I told you to mute your audio device. So co-interior angles are supplementary. All of you try to understand. Co-interior angles are supplementary. I'll be using this term. Try to remember. Co-interior angles means which are on same side of the transverse. Which are on the same side of transverse. They are called co-interior angles. Okay, children. All of you please copy that. If they ask which are co-interior, which are this, which are that, which are adjacent, which are linear pair, supplementary, linear pair, whichever are supplementary, they are linear pair. 1, 2 is a linear pair, 2, 3 is a linear pair, 3, 4 is a linear pair, 4 and 1 are linear pair. Okay, or we can also call adjacent angles. So try to understand. These basics you should remember. If you know these basics, please open the link in the description, children. Then we will do some 10 sums. I will tell children. After 10 sums, then I will be asking one by one each of them. 10 sums will do, children. Open first page or 10 sums I will teach you, children. Because
Sir, even co-exterior angles are there.
yes, now co-exterior angles also supplementary. Yes.
1827.
1827. Yes, now co-exterior angles also supplementary. Very good. Please now all of you copied on this. I hope everyone copied this. I'm sending a picture. If you not copied, at least later you practice them. You should know which angles are what. It's not good. Actually, open the first sum of. What is the first sum? Angle 1 and 2 are in the ratio. Okay. So one by one we'll do sums. Children, 5, 6 sums I will do. I told 10, 5, 6 sums I will do. How to do I will show you. Like that you have to. Then I will be asking you. You should say, children. Okay. First sum of please. We have to complete our parallel lines because we have to start triangles in many schools. They start now. So children, they are saying 1 and 2 are in the ratio of 3:2. This is 1. This is 2. Angle 1 is to angle 2 are in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2 means 3x and 2x. So this is 3x and this is 2x. 3x plus 2x will be how much, children? 3x plus 2x will be how much? 180. Linear pair. 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 5. X is equal to 36 degrees. X is equal to 36 degrees. Once you know x is equal to 36, children, individual angles you should find. 3 into 36 is how much? 108 degrees. And 2 into 36 is how much, children? 72 degrees. 72 degrees. So, try to understand, children. Try to understand. Try to understand. So, children, this is 108. This is 72. Remaining all angles also you should find out, children. But remaining all angles also we should find out. So, what will be the angles? I will let you. If this is 108, this is also 108, vertically opposite. If this is 72, this is also 72, vertically opposite. If this is 108, this is also 108, exterior alternate angles. If this is 108, this is also 108, vertical opposite angles. If this is 72, this is also 72, interior alternate angles. If this is 72, this is also 72, vertical opposite angles. So children, however, suppose you may say 108, 108, this both are also 108 corresponding angles also. You can claim. Claiming is no problem, children, but you have to say correctly. That's all. Okay, second sum, children. Please all check. Second sum, 3 parallel lines. 3 parallel lines are given. One transversal cutting all 3 parallel lines. One, this is 1, this is 3, this is 120 degrees. This is 120 degrees. And this is Z. This is Z. And this is 2, 1, 2, 3. So he's asking you to find out angle 1, 2, 3. Very, very easy. Okay. So children, angle 1 is equal to 120 degrees. Why, children? Can anyone say reason? 1 is equal to 120. No. 1 is not 1. Sorry. 1 is not 1. 2 is 120, children. Can anyone say a reason?
Co-interior angle, sir.
No. 2 is 120. Why? Anyone?
Alternate interior angles.
Interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. So Okay, children. Now, if this is 120, what will be 3 children? Linear pair.
60, sir.
Angle 3 plus 120 is equal to 180 because supplementary as a linear pair we can write. Okay, children. So angle 3 can be 60. Okay. If 3 is 60, angle 1 also 60. Why, children? Anyone?
I'll
If 3 is 60, 1
go
also
in.
60. Corresponding angles. 3 and 1 are corresponding angles. 3 and 1 are called corresponding angles. Okay. If 3 is 60, 1 also 60 corresponding angles. I told you. Okay. And 3 and 120 are linear pair. 120 and 2 are interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Try to see children. You have to practice. Very, very important sum. Children. Third sum. Okay. All of you please see children. Third sum. Children, this is 120 degrees. This is 120 degrees. This is 70 degrees. This is 70 degrees. What is asking these children? See here. Find ACE. ACE. This angle is asking. This angle is asking. Okay, children. Simple children. Very, very easy. Just you have to complete the triangle, children. FE. This one is there. No, children. This you just complete the triangle. Right? He said that these both are parallel. Children, these both are parallel. These both are parallel. If you extend, that also will be a parallel. If you extend that, that also will be a parallel. Again, I'm saying, he said these both are parallel. If I extend, these both are also will be parallel. So, children, if this is 70, this will be also 70. Can anyone say why?
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding.
Okay, children, try to understand, children. If this is 70, see, children, if this is 70, angle 1 I'm writing, and this is angle 2 I'm writing, this is angle 3 I'm writing, this is angle 4. Please see, children, if angle 2 is 70, angle 1 also 70 by corresponding angles. If angle 1 is 70, what is angle 5, children? If angle 1 is 70, angle 5 will be 180 minus 70, that is 110, linear page, linear page. Try to understand, children. If this is 70, this is also 70, corresponding angles. If this is 70, this is 110, children, linear. If this is 70, this is 70, corresponding angles. If this is 70, this is 110, linear page. Again, check here, children. Angle 4 plus 120 is equal to 180. Why, children? Linear page. Angle 4 plus 120 is 180 because linear page. Angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 120. Angle 4 is equal to 60. So angle 4 is equal to 60. Okay, those who are getting
Sir, I
confused.
got 30.
Okay, children. Those who are getting confusion, again I will draw diagram, children. Try to understand. Don't get confused, children. See here. Here I am drawing. Figure is like this, children. Okay, try to understand. If this is 70, what I am saying is this is also 70 because corresponding angles. If this is 70, this is 110 because linear page, linear page. And if this is 120, this is 60, children, because linear page, linear page. And you have to find out x. So 110 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180. 170 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 170. So x is equal to how much, children? X is equal to 10 degrees. That's it, children.
Here in question, they gave that 20 as 130, sir.
Where 130 they get?
Sir, angle 120, they gave.
Oh, this is 130 they have. If this is 130, children, this will be 50. This will be 50 linear page. Okay, if this is 50, children, this is 160. And 180 minus 160 will be 20 degrees. Some understanding is important, children. Little bit here and there. Okay, no problem. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Okay, Shanmukh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
If this is 70, this is 70. Why?
Sir,
If this is 70, this is 70. Why?
corresponding angles.
If this is 70, this is 110. Why?
What
Huh? Why, Nana?
110, sir?
If this is 70, this is 110. Why? If this is 70, this is 110. Why?
Vertical opposite angle, sir.
Linear pair, linear pair. If this is 130, this is 50. Why?
Linear pair.
Linear pair, because this plus this will be 180, this plus this will be 180. So 70 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 70, that is x is equal to 10. Not vertically, they are linear pair. Try to understand, children. Popular among the sums. Next one, go to fourth sum, children. Children, please check children, fourth sum. State which lines are parallel and why he is asking. He gave angles, children. This is 100. Children, this is 100 and this is 70. Okay, children, see here. This line is B line, children. This line is E line, children. And this line is A line, children. Okay, and this line is C line, something. Okay, children. Since these both are alternate angles, children, as alternate angles are equal, EF is parallel to AD. Try to understand. Try to understand. This will need to understand. Please listen, children. As alternate angles are equal, interior alternate angles are equal, EF is parallel to AD. You should write. As interior alternate angles are both 100 degrees, EF is parallel to AD. First step is over. Okay, again, you see here, children, 100 plus 70 is how much, children? 100 plus 70 is how much, children? 170. Co-interior angles are 170, so they are not parallel. If co-interior angles are 180 only, they are parallel. But co-interior angles are 170. Right, understand? Co-interior angles are 170. As co-interior angles are 170, BF is not parallel to CK. BF is not parallel to CK. Right, understand?
Sir,
Actually,
that is 78, sir.
78. Okay, then
Sir.
78 also no problem. It should be 180. Okay, children. As they are not 180, they are not parallel. Try to understand, children. These both should be 180. These both should be 180. If they are 180 only, they are parallel. Children. Try to understand. These both should be 180, but it is only 178. As they are only 178, these and these are not parallel. If they are 180 only, then coincident angles are supplementary, we can say, and then we can say parallel. So these lines are parallel, these lines are not parallel. Try to write down, children. Don't sit idle. Keep copying all the things. Don't sit idle, I'm saying. No one should sit idle, children. Everyone should copy.
Sir, their BF is parallel to what did you write, sir?
What, Nana? BF is not parallel to CK. Not parallel. BF is not parallel to CK. Not parallel. Not parallel. Please write down, children, everyone. Next one. Children, go to fifth question. All of you. This is the fifth question. This is both are parallel. These both are also parallel. See here, you can see LM is parallel. LM is parallel to NP. N and P. These both are parallel, children. These both are also parallel. You should concentrate here. Okay. Angle 1 is equal to 85. Angle 1 is equal to 85. Then what is angle 2? His angle 2 is here, children. Where is angle 2? Okay. Let me say angle 1 is 85. Angle 1 is equal to 85. Let us take this as angle 3. If 1 is 85, 3 will be how much? Anyone?
85, sir.
85 only.
Why?
85, sir.
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding.
These both are corresponding angles. If angle 1 is equal to 85, then angle 3 also 85 because they both are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Right. And what is angle 3 and angle 2, children? Anyone? Angle 3 and angle 2 are called?
Interior angle.
Co-interior angles.
Interior angle.
Angle 3, angle 2 are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So 3 is how much, children? 3 is 85. 85 plus 2 is equal to 180. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 85. Angle 2 is equal to 95 degrees. Angle 2 is equal to 95 degrees. Yeah, children. Angle 2 is 95 degrees. Try to understand, children. Next one. Sixth question. This is more clear, children. Please try to understand. All of you mute your audio devices. Sixth one. Okay, children. Next question. He's saying if two straight lines are perpendicular to same line, this is AB, this is CD, this is EF. What he's saying is AB and CD are perpendicular to EF. AB is perpendicular to EF, CD is also perpendicular to EF. Perpendicular means what, children? 90 degrees, perpendicular to same line. Okay, prove that they are parallel. Prove that they are parallel. He's saying. So perpendicular means this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. Co-interior angle, as co-interior angles are 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Supplementary, as co-interior angles are supplementary, AB is parallel to CD. Please note down. As co-interior angles are 180 degrees, this and this lines are parallel. As co-interior angles are supplementary, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, children, 90 plus 90 is 180. He only gave perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. As these both angles are supplementary, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD because co-interior angles are supplementary. You should mention that statement. As co-interior angles are supplementary. Next, children, seventh question. You must copy down, children. You, no one is sitting idle. No one into. Seventh question, children. You know parallelogram. Parallelogram looks like this, children. A, B, C, D. AB is parallel to CD. AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. These both are parallel lines. These both are parallel. Okay. Two unequal angles of parallelogram are in the ratio of 2:3. Children, normally we know this and this are equal. This and this are equal. So these both are unequal, or these both are unequal, or these both are unequal, or these both are unequal. He's saying two unequal angles of parallelogram are in the ratio of 2:3. 2:3 means 2x and 3x. If I put this as 2x, this will be 3x. 2x and 3x are called co-interior angles. Why means this and this are parallel lines. In between any parallel lines, these angles are called co-interior angles. Try to understand, children. In a parallelogram, opposite lines are parallel. If this is 2x, if this is 3x, 2x and 3x are called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 36 degrees. After getting x, we should find individual angle. 2 into 36 is how much? 3 into 36 is how much? This is 108 degrees. This is 72 degrees. If this is 72 and if this is 108, this is also 108, this is also 72 because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Don't forget, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Never forget, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Okay. Please copy it. Next one. 8th one. Please copy it. Copy with me, children. Don't waste time. If each of the two lines is perpendicular to the same line, what lines are they to each other? Parallel lines. Now, only two lines are perpendicular to the same line. Two lines are perpendicular to the same line. These both lines are called parallel lines. Okay. Next, there is a figure children given like this in ninth sum. Please check children in ninth sum. The figure is given like this. Angle 1 is 60 degrees. Right? Angle 2 is 2/3 of the right angle. Angle 2 is 2/3 of the right angle. 2/3 of right angle means 330. This is also 60 degrees. 2/3 of right angle means 60. 1 is 60, 2 is 60. Prove that L is parallel to M as our corresponding angles are equal. As corresponding angles are equal. As corresponding angles are equal, L is parallel to M. You should write children because this is 60 he only gives. This is 2/3 of right angle. 2/3 of right angle is 60 degrees. 2/3 of right angle is 60 degrees. 2/3 of right angle is 60 degrees. As corresponding angles are equal, L is parallel to M. As corresponding angles are equal, L is parallel to M. Okay, children, go to 10th sum. Go to 10th sum, children. Learn some onwards. I'll ask you all to get ready. This is like this. This is 1. This is 3. This is 4. This is 2. All are parallel. These all are parallel. If I put like this, it is parallel. Okay. Question is, if L is parallel to M is parallel to M, angle 1 is 60 degrees. Angle 1 is 60 degrees. Find angle 2. Children, if 1 is 60, 3 is how much? Anyone?
60, sir.
Why?
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding.
If 3 is 60, 4 is how much, children?
Sir, 120.
120.
120. Why, children? Anyone?
Linear pair,
Linear
sir.
pair.
Linear pair.
If this is 120, this is how much, children?
Sir, 120.
120, sir. Sorry.
Alternate
120.
angles. Why? Alternate angles.
Alternated in the yes.
Alternative.
Alternative interior angles.
Okay, mute your audience. Angle 1 is equal to, if angle 1 is equal to 60, angle 3 also 60 because corresponding angles. Okay, if angle 3 is 60, angle 4 is equal to 120 linear pair. If angle 4 is 120, angle 2 also 120 alternate interior angles. Like I should write. Okay, children. Okay, 11th. Please mute your audio devices. Mute your mute your audio devices. Children, 11th question again. Same question is asking children. If two lines are parallel to the same line, perpendicular to the same line, they both are parallel because 90 plus 90, 180. Co-interior angles are as co-interior angles are supplementary. As co-interior angles are supplementary, they both are parallel lines. I told you this. Next one, 12. The opposite sides of quadrilateral are parallel. The opposite sides of quadrilateral are parallel means it is a parallelogram. He is saying these both are parallel. He is saying these both are parallel. So it is a parallelogram. If opposite sides of quadrilateral parallel, they are parallelogram. If one angle is 60, find the other angles. If this is 60, what is angle 1? What is angle 2? What is angle 3? This is 4. If angle 4 is 60, angle 2 also 60. Why, children? Anyone?
Alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior.
Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Alternate interior angles, what you are telling me? Okay, but where is the relationship between this and that? Next, if angle 4 is 60, angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Why, children? Angle 1 plus 4 is 180. Why?
The adjacent angles of a parallelogram add up to 180, sir.
Co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. They both are co-interior angles. See, if I draw this line, then this will become co-interior angles. So 60 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Angle 1 is equal to 120 degrees. If angle 1 is 120 degrees, angle 3 also 120 degrees. If angle 1 is 120 degrees, angle 3 also 120 degrees. Why, children? Opposite angles of
Opposite.
opposite angles of parallelogram are equal.
Equal.
Opposite angles. Say children, all of you. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. You should.
Equal.
Next one, children. Next one, children. 12th sum is over. Two lines A, B, C, D intersect at O. Please see, children. Please see. Two lines A, B, and C, D intersect at O. Children, try to understand. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. They both are intersecting at O. AOC, COB, BOD. AOC, COB, BOD. This plus this 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 270. Find AOC, COB, individual angles is asking children. DOA, how much? Individual angles asking children, he is asking. Two lines intersect at O. Anywhere figure is given, measures AOC, COB, DO, BOD is equal to 270. Children, this is equal to 270. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 270. Okay, children. So try to understand, children. I will say this is x, this is also x. Say this is y, this is also y. Okay, children, try to understand. X plus y will be 360. Why 360, children? Complete angle. You should write complete angle. 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. X plus y is equal to 180. This is one equation. And he said that x plus y plus x is equal to 270. Means 2x plus y is equal to 270. This equation, if you solve, will get the answer. See here, 2x plus y is equal to 270. X plus y is equal to 180. Solve the equation, minus cancel. X is equal to 90 degrees. If this is 90, this is also 90. If this is 90, this is also 90. All are 90. Right on.
Sir, we can